How to buy more storage on iPhone. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and make sure you're signed in with your Apple ID. Tap your Apple ID name at the top of the screen. You'll see your current iCloud storage. By default, every Apple ID gets 5 GB for free. To purchase more storage, tap Upgrade or Get More Storage. You'll see different iCloud storage plans, starting at 50 GB for $0.99 per month, going up to 12 TB for about $60 per month. Choose the plan that fits your needs. 200 GB is good if you have more photos and videos. 2 TB works well for families, and 12 TB is for heavy storage use. Tap Upgrade and confirm your purchase. The extra iCloud storage will be added to your account and billed automatically each month. Keep in mind, iCloud storage is used to save photos, files, and backups, and it's different from your iPhone's built-in storage. Having more iCloud storage ensures you can back up your iPhone and move your data easily between devices.